I don't believe we should want a funding system which is dependent on the lottery of your birth, what your parents do, where you've gone, where you've come from, what kind of school you've gone to, what your ethnic background is, or whether you read the Daily Telegraph or not. Access to university should be based on two things: aspiration and ability. And we need a funding system that doesn't solidify those problems, but rather eradicates them.
On the 10th of November 2010, Warwick SU laid on 6 coaches to ferry us students down to London for the first of the protests against rising tuition fees and educational cuts. We filmed our day.
That should not happen! No migrants! Don't do this sort of thing!